Today we're going to learn how to reserve your Michigan Activity Pass. The first thing you'll do is remember that you have to have a library card. So head to your local library if you don't already have one. The next thing is on the Michigan Activity Pass website, you'll click Get Pass, which will anchor you to start your adventure. From here, you'll enter the library of which you are a card member. You can search for your library in the drop-down list or begin to type it out and select from there. Remember, you can also search by keyword, or if you're looking for something that's not exactly where your library is, you can choose to find me, maybe you're on vacation. Remember, your location services need to be on, and this will help find your approximate location. Once it finds you, you can then change your search radius or the date that you're looking to reserve your pass. From there, click search, and that will begin to pull the map with all the destinations in the area that you've searched for. From here, you can also filter out to different categories specifically for what you're looking to do. And then in your search results, you can filter or sort by venue name or city. Let's say I want to reserve this pass to Legoland. I'll click Pass Options, choose the date that I want to reserve the pass, click Get Pass. I can see all of the pass details. I will click Continue and add in my library card number. Once I've added my card number, I can put in my first and last name. These fields are required. Phone number and email address are optional. If you do have an email address, I do suggest inputting it, as it does allow you to receive an emailed copy of your pass, which you can download to the wallet on your phone, print it, or save it for when you arrive at the venue. If you don't have an email address, you can skip this option, or if you don't want to enter it, just click Reserve. And then you'll be able to save to your wallet, especially if you are doing this on your mobile device, or you can print directly from the screen. This is a copy of what this printed pass will look like, and it will just print to your local printer.